main church will be and from bank sati so if you put Vim lady akasa yi pa che se enya asem so no so de na no de se ma ba to kissi agyabeng office of the special prosecutor ene kin okori ata the former financial minister ati se omo se ma beto abonti kissi agyabeng che se ohwehwe kissi kin okori ata o my Ghana mo ase ni wi ase afana ba bia ohunu na wo so oba no akose financial loss and also oba no be question bia na answer and same bia no na let bia ba beto abonti kin okori ata lawyers and as a king of Koreata and Sature, the comma a OSP no home family or a year among no Korean. And so, OSB and no Casadin is stamp and answer or sign our Yahweh at the OSB Sadia Betopon. So, ship a king of Koreata or Ghana, baby, and as you are video. If you have been maybe swap it, subscribe to my channel, like it, never I didn't just comment section or come.
Let me show you. Can you look at it? We can't draw a letter from OSP second of what or yes, I do. Now, send you know is later for next month. It will be the entire. Only a friend saying, Office of Special Prosecutor as a change now will declare the persona non grata because so February 7, we will zoom letter and that one another. February 7, 2025. Reference Kenneth Nanaya of Oyata and community letter from the lawyers, Mayo Clinic is a big clinic for America. Now, letter to whom it may concern. Hello, dear sir, madam. Mr. Kenneth Nanaya of Oyata has been seen and evaluated at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester. His medical condition necessitates that he will stay and follow up and on appointment and even undergo further testing and management, including possible surgical intervention in March 2025. Please contact me with further questions. This is the lawyers for but it was signed by a doctor, Section International Medicine in Rochester, Minnesota, and one Kenufuyata again. Then also another question because someone tell me. There's a transplant. It's transplant. I mean, the confidentiality, medical confidentiality. But this is what the lawyers say. Almost one a doctor for one of the common office of special prosecutor. And the office of the special prosecutor, we don't know whether you receive this letter or not. But for me, what they said, is completely irrelevant because the court of public opinion, not prosecutor can overreact and I say, the super and because of how he managed himself in the office. One of the mistakes on my penny the former president, when he was in government, is this. Can you forget that? But then, before the case, you're a lawyers. This is the letter again. You can zoom and almost say almost draw letter. Minka promo or sebo and partners and co. Only the lawyers. Office of Special Prosecutor first time letter and to receive. Don't say receive the all. And if the office of the Special Prosecutor receive the letter where then what? Until moment you enter the content of the letter, you can also zoom it. Now so what kind? Say kind of money and all. Or see reference to say that the Special Prosecutor Office of the Special Prosecutor Haile Selassie Avenue South Wage Accra with direction to attend the Office of Special Prosecutor and the lawyers may say further to our letter dated 31st January 2025 and in response to yours dated 5th February 2025 you write as solicitors for Kenneth Ofoyata in respect of the above subject which was addressed to our clients and in which we were copied. Please find attached here to documents indicating that our client is receiving medical treatment at Mayo Clinic in the USA, detailing his appointment and timelines suggested suggested of post-March date when our client may be able to be in Ghana. And also here they said we are a post-March. We shall be grateful if any attendance in person required by your August office any appointment fixed take into account the medical report from his doctor, counting on your usual cooperation. Where you make up Remo Osebonsu and partners, sign letter. And this letter was sent 7th February. And it is an office of special prosecutor and second letter where I don't know. So what is the basis for declaring him a fugitive? What is the basis for declaring him wanted? And let me be also between this letter and more press conference special prosecutor here, or a press conference special prosecutor here. And I suspect say be also because special prosecutor so a senior lawyer, so actually very interesting because if you look at what is going on now, and operate and point and work. Dr. Mustafa Hamid also OSPC investigating for a 1.3 billion Ghana cedis embezzlement. That was National Petroleum Authority. Again, without assuming that anybody is guilty, because Ghana we have a presumption of innocence. So I and not be no money say you are innocent until proven guilty. But the point is that we are going to be in the court of law. And to know the law must work, the process must work. But I know questions now let me do special prosecutor and very relevant. Say no evidence being against the operator. And also you should be no or expose you. You should be bold to expose them. Beyond what he had told us previously, also can say this evidence and try to prosecute the operator and they didn't allow me. He must be bold. So later on, before the free power, and information where you answer, and also shows that MPP was sitting on evidence. He must also tell us. So what I say, and there are legitimate questions, still questions that are relevant and we have from OSP. Because OSP no busy. Now OSP need my yes, OSP no what
revocation of appointment and recruitment. We recall that the Chief of Staff through a directive to all state institutions directing them to revoke all appointment made after December 7th, 2024. And again, the obnoxious nolle prosequi that freed individuals who have cases to answer in court and the Ghanaian people. These are issues that should concern all Ghanaians, because if left, we need to address these issues in its proper perspective. They can collectively undermine the due process provisions of our laws and the human right of citizens. They can also unduly interfere in the work of the judiciary, and it will weaken our cherished democracy. Yesterday, Mr. Kissi Agyabeng held a press conference and declared Ken Ofori-Atta, the former Minister of Finance, a fugitive from justice. It is baffling that a special prosecutor, a lawyer, and a law lecturer would make such basic mistake in labeling a person of interest who has not been charged and remains in contact through his lawyers as a wanted individual or a fugitive. Isn't that odd? A respected legal personality, a former director of the Ghana Law School, Mr. Ansang Asare, says that this act is not only barbaric, but uncouth, uncivilized, and unethical. Ladies and gentlemen, Ken Ofori-Atta is not evading accountability, as the OSP claimed. On January 2nd, 2025, he wrote a letter to the then Chief of Staff, Madame Frima Oseo-Pare, that he was traveling to the United States for a follow-up medical visit. He included his current and reliable contact information at the end of the letter. On January 22nd, 2025, Mr. Oforiatta again wrote to the new Chief of Staff, Mr. Julius Debra, to inform him that he was overseas for a medical examination. He concluded his letter with the following: please do not hesitate to reach out if there is any information you will need in the interest of the state regarding the fact that I've held some formal positions